Alright, so this is mtuner. It's a free VST, and then I'm gonna show you how to tune sounds. So yeah, this is the default, right? So it's a G sharp. Alright, so we're gonna do 100 cents. You're gonna move it to the next note. So now it's A. Then it moves it 2 notes. Now it's B, and then one more will be C. 4 semitones. So now it's C. So mtuner is a completely free VST. Another way is to go in to the spectrum and see where's the loudest part. So we go spectrum. So we can go. So it says it's 62, right? So I wish I can freeze it. Actually, I just do a drum loop. And then we'll see it. So actually, let's make it quicker. So we'll be around 65 hertz. I mean the largest one. So that'll be where the kick note is. That's how you know from the frequency. So now the sample is tuned. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. So yeah.